I tell my clients that in order to be eligible for the Medicaid programs that help pay for home care, ALF care, or nursing home care in Florida, they have to spend 1 day every calendar month at or below $2,000. That is the asset test standard used in Florida as of the recording of this video, which is mid-2024. Okay, so what does that mean when I say 1 day below $2,000? Because everyone seems to know, or when they soon find out, that $2,000 is a very important number. But what they're worried about is that they may have $2,000 one day, and then their Social Security hits, and it puts them into the $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 range during the month, and they are freaking out sometimes. They go, oh no, I have to be below $2,000 and I'm now above $2,000. Am I going to lose my benefits, or is it going to be impossible for me to qualify in the first place? And I am able to very quickly calm them down and say, no. The rule is 1 day every calendar month at or below $2,000. So if it is April 20th and you have $1,900 in your bank account, and then your Social Security hits because you're one of those who receives the check toward the end of the month, you might be for the rest of the month above $2,000. That's okay, because you've spent 1 day in April already at $1,900. You've met April's criteria. Now again, I'm not talking about income. Income is a different income test. I'm only talking about the asset test, but you've already satisfied the asset test for April. So now you have until the end of May to get back below $2,000 or get to $2,000, okay? So that's what the 1 day every calendar month below $2,000 means. It doesn't mean you can never have more than $2,000 in your bank account. It just means you have to spend some time every month at or below $2,000. So it makes it a little bit easier, although $2,000 is still, I agree, an absurdly low number that should be increased. That's for a different legislative advocacy opportunity. But I want to make one more comment, which is for my clients who are not only on Medicaid, but also on SSI, Supplemental Security Income, not Social Security Retirement. Most people have Social Security Retirement. That's not what I'm talking about. There's SSI, which as of 2024 is up to $943. So if you're making much more than $943, you are not on SSI. You might be on Social Security Disability, you might be on Social Security Retirement, but SSI is a different program altogether. The reason why I'm going through all this trouble to emphasize that is for SSI is also a means-based program that will entitle you to health insurance, Medicaid. However, they have a slightly different twist on this $2,000 rule, which is while straight Medicaid or Medicaid waiver or Medicaid ICP requires 1 day every month to be at or below $2,000, SSI, Supplemental Security Income, requires you to be at or below $2,000 on the first day of every month. So April 1st, they're seeing if you have $2,000 or less. May 1st, they're looking to see if you have $2,000 or less. They don't care what you have the rest of that calendar month. But if on the first day of the month you have $2,001, you are not eligible for SSI for that month. Okay, so you have to be careful. It's a little bit different, similar concept, a little bit of a different construction. We prefer the way in Florida does it for straight Medicaid or for ICP or Medicaid waiver programs, because it gives you a little more flexibility, because it's just 1 day any calendar month. SSI, they only care about what your financial picture looks like on the first day of every calendar month. So I hope I've repeated myself enough time where now the differences are a little bit clear. If you have any questions, please submit a comment. If you found this video useful, please share it, give it a thumbs up, and help me get good information to Florida consumers throughout the state. Thank you very much.